Okay guys, if you've ever bought this brand of pepper grinder, it's a McCormick brand, I thought to myself, well, it'd be nice if I could fill this up again, because it has an adjustable grinder. You can adjust it from coarse to fine, and it's all built into that. And once it's empty, it's like, okay, how do I get this apart? So I've tried pulling on it. It's really hard to pull apart, but I found out that if you take it over your sink and you put it under some really hot water, it'll come apart for you. Just soak it for a good long time under the hot water, and it'll come apart easier. Still not super easy, but you know, it comes apart. And there you can see what the grinder part looks like inside there. It's just plastic, but it does the job. I'm thinking you could refill this probably 3 or 4 times and reuse it. You know, it's for somebody who don't want to buy a pepper grinder and you already have this. Just buy the refill. I bought this today at Walmart. This refill was like $4 or $5 for a little under 6 ounces. Black peppercorns. I'm going to try this out. They had different ones too. They had different colored ones. I've never tried those, so I figure I'd go with the black. But if you're ever thinking how to get this apart, and it will snap back on there, you know, and it works. So there's no problem there. Alright guys, there you go. Way to refill your pepper grinder.